Hello everyone. 안녕하세요. 오늘도 반갑습니다. Welcome to Hangry class. My name is Hangry, your Korean class teacher. As saying goes, stay hungry, stay foolish. From today, we are going to learn basic characters in Korean alphabet. There are 14 basic consonants in Korean language. Of them, consonant giyuhg will be covered today, and the remaining 13 consonants will be taught in the following classes. In the first place, giyuhg. Giyuhg looks like a gun. When you write giyuhg, you have to draw a horizontal line from the left to the right bravely, and a vertical line from up to down confidently. Giyuhg, giyuhg, giyuhg. It looks like a gun. Now we're going to learn the sound of giyuhg. Giyuhg sounds like g sound in English. G, gun. G, gorilla. G, gear. G, go. As mentioned, giyuhg sounds like g sound. Then, to better remember the shape and the sound of giyuhg, let's make a story. Okay, look at this picture. A gorilla with a gun puts in gear and goes away. A gorilla with a gun puts in gear and goes away. Which means in Korean, 건을 든 고릴라가 기어를 놓고 go. This time, we have 4 new Korean words including character giyuhg. 기역, 가구, 기역, 고양이, 기역, 감자, 기역, 기차. At first, try to find giyuhg or giyeoks in each word. For example, here in 가구, there are 2 giyeoks. Then how many giyeok in 고양이? Right, there is 1 giyeok. In 감자, there is 1 giyeok as well. In 기차, we have 1 giyeok. So I think you know the shape of giyuhg for sure. Let's move on to the sound of giyuhg. Please listen carefully to the Korean words we have learned today. G, 가구, 가구. G, 고양이, 고양이. G, 감자, 감자. G, 기차, 기차. Can you tell the difference between the sound of g, 가구, and g, gorilla? I bet they are very close to each other. So this is all for today. Did you enjoy? Have a good day everyone and see you next class again. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕.